Hi, guys, and welcome to our series all about Wix forms. Today, we're going to learn how to choose which address field is perfect for your form. In Wix, there are actually two types of address fields that you can choose from, depending on the information you need from your site visitors. These are Basic address field, which is a single box where your site visitors can input their entire address, and the multi-line address field, which has multiple lines for site visitors to input their address, a second address, their city, etc. Hence, why it's called a multi-line address field. So let's learn how to add them, starting with the basic address field. On the form editor, or on this window, simply click the plus button and select address from the contacts category. Now, if you want to use a multi-line address field instead, select multi-line address over here. And as you can see, instead of just one field for the entire address, you can see four. So one for the country or region, the address, city, and the zip or postal code. And here on the right, configure its settings according to your needs and preferences. Once you're done working on your form, don't forget to go to the Settings tab to properly rename your form. And also configure the other settings here, such as the confirmation message, notifications and automations, payments setup if needed, advanced form validations, spam filter, as well as form status. You can also go to the Preview tab to preview your form and interact with it, just like a visitor would. Once everything's all good, click on Save here, and on the Wix editor, click on Save once again. Click on Save too, so that your changes or progress will be stored. And if your site's previously been published, click on Publish again, so that the changes you've made will reflect on your live site as well. And that's it for today. We hope this video was helpful somehow. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.